So a thruster, once you get near the top, you want to explode up, try to come to your toes. Explode up, good, nice Scott, good. Just a great total strength exercise. Look straight ahead, bend, don't look down, big breath, tight stomach.
Yeah, that one's...
I don't care if you throw your arms in front.
Explode up, good.
3, 6, 9, you can question. It's going to be 5 rounds. 5 rounds. So
good.
You're done with my sit-ups. I'm going to grab my dumbbells again. Right into the Scotty box.
Nice,
okay?
good, excellent.
The only rest.
Good, nice Emily.
Sit-ups.
2, 1, hit it. Number 17. Nice, Thumper, way to push. Come on, Ben, Justice. Redneck's killing you guys, let's go. And hit it. Nice, Emily, push, push, push. There you go, Aaron. 5 seconds. Hit it. Sprint to the rest, each one, sprint. Come on, get it, get it, get it. Good. Hit. Good. So Russian triangle, 10 of these. Tap the plate, side to side. 10 to EOs. 10 EOs is 10 one direction, 10 the other.
2, 3. You see it's getting harder as I go more normal back.
The 10 face down back extensions. Toes down, keep your toes down. And then right into 30-second front bridge. Nice, Aaron.